Introducing the Electrolux Perfect Care 800 Series washing machine with Ultra Care system. The Electrolux Ultra Care system pre-mixes water with detergent and then with fabric softener to fully activate their potential, ensuring that fibers stay soft wash after wash. The best-in-class Ultra Wash program washes a daily load of clothes in less than an hour without compromising on results. Reducing wrinkles by a third, the Steam Care system ends each wash cycle with steam for a smoother finish. The Electrolux unique Fresh Scent system refreshes and cares for your delicate clothing with a fresh fragrance and gentle steam. Sensors automatically adjust the cycle settings to the size of the load, reducing the time, energy, and amount of water used. This eliminates overwashing, so clothes retain their look and feel for longer. Electrolux Perfect Care washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new Electrolux Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading, and provides a storage drawer for laundry essentials. By adding the special steam fragrances to your wash, your delicates are refreshed in minutes. The washing machine care set includes a deep cleanser and a 2-in-1 descaler and degreaser to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. 2 washing bags protect your delicate garments. Finally, the Electrolux stacking kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. Register your Electrolux washing machine via the Electrolux app or website to extend your warranty by up to 10 years and receive regular news from Electrolux, laundry tips and accessory discounts of up to 25%. Delivering perfect results every time. The Electrolux Perfect Care 800 Series washing machine with Ultra Care system.